Now it's really happening. One after another. As you can see, XRP has risen very strongly. 17% just today. A huge breakout today. And that's clearly because the SEC has officially dropped the lawsuit against Ripple now. This is now a precedent, and it's extremely positive for the entire sector. This also makes it clear that this regulatory clarity is getting closer. Very, very positive. This is by far the best we've seen with XRP in recent years. Accordingly, this price increase is absolutely justified. Very, very nice for all XRP investors. We've also seen that Ripple has recently registered its own brand for its own wallet. That's going to be very interesting. And there are also rumors that Ripple will go public this year. And we would probably also anticipate the XRP coin from stock buyers. Also, very positive. A lot is really happening here with XRP. We have even seen that companies owned by Donald Trump and Donald Trump himself were also very interested in Ripple. It will of course be interesting to see how far it has matured. Because as things currently stand, XRP will also appear in the US Strategic Reserve. You have to imagine if just a few billion flow into XRP every year, that would already have a huge impact. That would be really crazy. It would be gigantic. It also looks like banks are increasingly using XRP as a payment bridge. This naturally increases the demand, which is also very good for the XRP price in the long run. We also have a burn mechanism here and so on. So the banks are showing greater interest, plus the US government wants to include XRP in the National Reserve. I think all these things I've just briefly summarized for you have come up in the last few weeks. But this is by far the most positive thing about XRP that we've seen in ages. It would also be nice if Paul Atkins becomes the new SEC Masi chairman. On the 27th, there will be a decision here in March, and there will also be a debate about whether he will be elected. Because Gary Gensler is out of the picture and we need new people at the top. And if Atkins is elected, we can look forward to an XRP ETF and of course hope for further clarity. Because he is pro-crypto, he has close ties to Ripple and Brett Garlinghouse. These are really very positive things. You have to say, Ripple is truly one of the projects that has performed extremely well lately. Let's quickly take a final look at the chart. Because technically there's really not much to say. But looking at the long term, we had a breakout here. Here is the corrective wave 2 and a really big wave 3. Here is wave 4, and we should now. First, we're aiming for wave 5 in the next few weeks and months. Here, we are already expecting price targets of at least $4.42. It could easily go higher. We're looking at $5, $6, $7. Let's see how much we rise here. From there, we will of course recalculate the chart. As for our long-term scenario, I won't be including you in the short-term scenario today because we also have the FOMC meeting today. And I mean, the markets are just a bit too volatile right now to throw out a short-term chart analysis. The markets are currently driven by news, but I think this video was really very impactful. Ripple has really been racking up good news one after another in the last few months. There's a good reason why XRP is one of the projects that has outperformed the entire market very, very nicely. Let me know in the comments if there will be more in the future, whether you want to see more about XRP or not. Then I would say, see you next time, friends. Bye.